I want to be very careful when it goes to the impeachment proper. And so I have to limit my questions now purely for legislative, in aid of legislation, and not touch on the impeachment proper.
Aquino's voice indicates the growing apprehensions over continuing the Senate Hueteng probe despite the start of the House impeachment process.
I'm afraid that when it will have to come to us, I do not like to be caught or be inhibited because we already have discussed the matter here.
It is not for me to argue the case in favor of these committees inhibiting itself. So I will leave it to whoever in this committee would like to argue that particular point.
The problem, they say, is that Chavit Singson and Atong Ang are both key witnesses in the impeachment process when it reaches the Senate.
Ibig sabihin ng Korte Suprema, pwedeng magpatuloy ang Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, pero tungkol lamang sa investigasyon kung pwede nating illegalize ang Hueteng o dapat natin i-privatize ang Hueteng. Hindi sinabi ng Korte Suprema na maaari kaming magpatuloy ng aming investigasyon maski nakakapasok na kami doon sa mga impeachment charges.
Santiago indicated today she will push for inhibiting all senators who have already questioned Governor Singson and Ang since they prejudiced their roles as judges in the impeachment proceedings.
That case will probably come to us, and in effect, therefore, we'd be replaying our proceedings. And therefore, the charge of prejudging would become valid at that point. Kaya sana'y kusa na lang kaming maghinto.